Around Bathurst 2011 we had a secret little meeting in a truck with a number of people.
The whole thing's just a new step in a new direction, but we're pretty proud of where we're at right now.
We want to make the car look presentable, look like a Holden, look like it's fast.
We want to make sure that the whole program itself is state of the art, and we are leading the way in how our cars are presented on track. And I think when you see them now, it's pretty obvious. I've got no problems about Holden winning. I'm pretty sure we're right on top of it. We embrace the fact that there's new challenges to take on, a new competition. We thrive on it. We see it in the marketplace every day, and we want to take them on the track.